Back in my early drumming career, I played with a band out of Atlanta, Georgia for 12 years. Countless tours, thousands of miles, all that grinding to try to make it work. After all that, I realized that this lifestyle wasn't suitable for my family anymore. So when 2014 hit, we decided to hit the reset button. We packed up everything and we relocated to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. I had no gigs lined up, and honestly, I had no desire to play whatsoever. We were just going to put our heads down, build something better, and keep moving on. I started working at a local music store, and that's where everything changed. I met a guitar player that played in a cover band who needed a drummer. I was hesitant. After all, this is not why we moved here. But I went, I listened, and I sat in one night. And a couple days later, he asked me to join his band. What I didn't know is that this cover band was just something these guys did on the side for fun. Their real job, their actual career, was performing at the Carolina Opry Theater. The Carolina Opry was founded in 1986 by Calvin Gilmore. In 1992, he built the theater that I play in nightly. I didn't even know a place like this existed, honestly. A venue where you play 6 nights a week, you don't have to set up or break down your equipment. They invited us to come and watch a show, and I was blown away. These guys were up here doing this every night. Steady pay, 0 travel, and no chasing gigs. I knew immediately that I wanted in. That opportunity came sooner than I expected. Later that same year, their drummer got sick, and I ended up getting the call to fill in. I was there for about 2 weeks. Fast forward 1 year, and I filled in again. Same drummer, same situation. Only this time I was there for about a week. At this point, I was ready to take the gig full time, but life wasn't ready to give it to me yet. I waited another year, and finally, when the drummer got sick again, they decided to move on. I was offered the position full-time in 2016, and I have been there ever since. This video is the beginning of a series that I've called Best Seat in the House. Over the next few episodes, I'm going to give you a first-hand look on what it's like to be a drummer in a professional theater setting, the day-to-day requirements, what's expected of me, and what happens behind the scenes to put a show like this together every single night. There are only a few theaters like the Carolina Opry left in the United States, and I want to show you guys exactly what that looks like from where I'm sitting. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you'd like to follow me on social media, you can at bdags79. Also, check out my website, www.briandaggettdrums.com. And I'll see you guys on the next video.